Today I'll be giving you a quick update on what's been happening here in the Great Holm, Milton Keynes property market. So over the last year, the average selling price of properties here was just over £302,000. The majority of the sales that took place were detached properties, which had an average selling price of just over £362,000, and semi-detached properties had an average selling price of £263,000. Now, the most expensive house that was sold here in Great Holm last year was a 4-bedroom detached house, which was over in a road called Chatsworth, which sold for £542,000 in November 2021. So now that we've looked at the sales market, let's have a look at the rental market here in Great Holm, Milton Keynes. So the average rent over the last 12 months was £1,174, which represents an increase of 13% compared to the last year. Interestingly, 50% of the properties let here in Great Holm were detached properties, and they saw an increase of 13% in rents over the last year. Now, by comparison, terrace properties actually saw the biggest increase in rents by 26%. Now let's look at the age profile of the tenants here in Great Holm. So interestingly, 43.5% of the tenants in Great Holm were aged between 30 and 39, and only 8.7% of the tenants were aged between 18 and 29. Now this is particularly important to know, because if you have a property to let, then you want to make sure that you are decorating your property and having your property to a certain standard to meet your target market. That's all for this video in terms of what's happening here in the Great Holm property market. Hopefully it's given you a brief overview as to what's happened here over the last year. If you need any more information, then feel free to contact us directly. Otherwise, you can follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, just so you get notified of all future videos and property market updates.